So hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can use as Google Drive as your in desktop. So to use you have to just click on this button as settings and you have to just click on this get Google Drive. You can just download from here. So it will be approx 286 MB. So to do just we have to click on this Google Drive setup and just do yes and just we have to click install and just to and wait for a minute. It's installing. This is install. You have to just click on close. Then it's install. Then here we can see it's linked. So as we can open our drive section, so you can just go to PC. As we can see, our Google Drive file is here was 15 GB. You can just open to my drive and you can just upload. So as you can see, so to upload any file, you have to just click on your like simple like I have to just open like a 1 minute work. You can see this is my works. I can upload any file. Just click on this send to or copy. We can just go to here and just we can paste. Here's a shortcut, we can paste for a long. So as you can see it will you can see it will be uploaded. So I'm not uploading, so you can just delete from here also if you want. For example, you want to just delete it. So here's the image. If you want to open, I have to open this, so I have to click this 2 times, then it will be downloaded. So as you can see it will be downloaded. So this is the way that you can use your Google Drive. And so if you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.